It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Friday, October 14th. I'm James Spann. Same old story. The weather basically dry through the weekend. Maybe a shower over extreme North Alabama, but not the kind of rain we need. But there is optimism toward the end of next week. We will see some rain around here. So let's go in there and check it out. There's the water vapor satellite view. First off, a really powerful storm slamming into the Pacific Northwest. Some of the coastal cities almost getting hurricane-force wind gusts, and another one is due in there tomorrow. And around here, a little wave west of the state, pushing some high clouds in. We'll call it partly sunny today. And again, just maybe somebody up around the shoals might catch a shower this evening if you're lucky. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s to start the day. Cullman at 53, Gadsden 52, but we go up in the mid-80s, a big warm-up. Nice cool mornings, warm afternoons this time of the year. Temperatures, I'd say, are seasonal around the country. Pretty cold around the Great Lakes with 30s there. We got frost advisories for parts of the Great Lakes up into New England. And again, wind warnings all up and down the Pacific Northwest coast for the series of Pacific storm systems they're going to be dealing with. Convective outlook, maybe a little thunder just west of the state today. And tomorrow, you're going to see some green in the state, and we're mentioning widely scattered showers, but don't get your hopes up. Most everybody's going to be dry. A marginal risk to the northwest of Chicago. And on day 3, which is Sunday, no organized severe weather expected around the nation. Rain for the next 5 days. That is a familiar sight. And again, there could be a few isolated showers up around the shoals tonight or tomorrow. But hey, look at rain for the next 7 days. Come on now. This is suggesting rain amounts of a half inch, maybe up to 3/4 of an inch. This is toward the end of next week, and we'll take a look at that as we go. But just good to see some colors on that map. One tropical system on the board, Nicole. Top winds 85 miles an hour. That becomes post-tropical tonight. Out in the North Atlantic, the rest of the basin is quiet. Here we go, model fans. The GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock. A little short wave west of the state. And again, rain possible today for Memphis, down toward the Mississippi Delta, Little Rock, Shreveport. But for us, we stay warm and dry. We'll call it partly sunny with mid-80s. This is the high-res HER at 6 o'clock this evening. A few showers clipping that extreme northwestern tip of the state. But you can see for most everybody, we stay dry. Tomorrow, we are going to mention widely scattered or isolated showers, but the air is dry. There's no upper support. And this is the high-res NAM, the 4-kilometer NAM at 4 o'clock. And again, you can see a couple of specks on there, so nothing more than isolated showers. Most folks will stay dry. Sunday, looking warm and dry. I'd say highs for the weekend will be in the low 80s. The GFS showing 81 tomorrow and Sunday. Monday, we go back in the mid-80s. The sky's sunny. Tuesday, mid to upper 80s. The GFS showing 87. Wednesday, we're dry, mid-80s. But here we go. Thursday, a front approaches and moisture moves in here. That's kind of exciting. We typically don't get excited about rain around here, but in this situation we do. And here's a week from today. Boy, look at the trough west of the state. That is a sweet sight to see for a drought-ravaged state. And if this verifies, we'll have a pretty decent chance of rain at the end of next week on Thursday and Friday. I wouldn't call this a drought buster. Rain amounts probably about a half inch, maybe a little higher, but come on, we'll take that. And check this out. This is the end of the forecast period. Wow, this is Sunday the 23rd. Deep upper low just north of here. How about we go from warm and dry to forecasting snow with that? And, of course, the thermal fields don't support that, but if that's right, it's going to be much cooler, maybe some light rain over the Tennessee Valley. You can see the big cool down. We stay in the 80s through next week, but then highs drop to near 70, which is below average, by the weekend of the 22nd and 23rd with lows down in the 40s, and that looks pretty good for fall weather fans. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.